Gentlemen, example 2 says a radio station randomly selects 1 of 5 for a prize. How can I write that? How can I represent 1 of 5, Kintara? 1 over 5. Now, I don't even know what it's asking me yet, but I know that 1 out of 5 gets a prize. Okay? You are one of the finalists. Congratulations, you're one of the 5. Okay? What is the probability that you will win? Write your answer as a percent. Well, let me ask you something. I want to erase this for a moment. Do you agree that how many possible winners are there right now, Ross? No. How many possible winners are there, Kintara? There are 5. Okay? And you are how many of those 5? Alberto? 1. Okay, so the probability that you win is 1 of 5. But they don't want it represented this way. They want it as a percent. So guys, I'm just going to use a proportion and find out what that is. Help me. Where would I go from here, Alex? Cross multiply. I get 5x equals 100. Divide by 5. And x is 20%. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. 1 by 5. Yes. Right. Guys, for those of you who are watching the video, what Alex just said is that rather than using the proportion, what he does is he takes the fraction and converts it to a decimal. He divides 1 by 5 and gets 0.2. Okay? That is the same as 0.20. Okay? And the reason that I added 2 is because for percents we need hundredths, not tenths. So we move it 2 places and we get 20%. That definitely works. We're going to talk about the percent proportion tomorrow. That is setting up a proportion this way. And I'm sorry, on Monday. And then on Tuesday or Wednesday, one of the two, we're going to talk about the percent equation. And that's a different way of setting it up. I have found that this way is the easiest for the percent proportion is the easiest way for me to set it up all the time. But you may find the percent equation works best for you. But you'll get to see that later. That really doesn't have anything to do with what we're doing here. All that Alex said is he just converted this to a decimal and then converted that to a percent, which we can do, definitely. And you guys know how to do that. So good job. Let's look at this next example.